Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how to get ESPN Plus on YouTube TV. So as I am seeing, there are several persons who are asking if ESPN Plus is available on YouTube TV or not. As you can see, no, ESPN Plus is a separate subscription that is not offered by the YouTube TV. You will have to go directly to ESPN for that subscription. So this is simple. You can also see that there are many people who has interested on this question, and sadly the answer is no. Even if you go to YouTube TV and watch their base plan and see all the channels available on the YouTube TV, you cannot find ESPN or ESPN Plus here. So for that you have to subscribe on Hulu or Amazon TV to access the ESPN Plus or ESPN directly from the internet. So that's it, guys. I have told you the truth and hope this video is informative to you, and see you on the next video.